Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to flatten a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. This is my PDF file and see this. This PDF file has comments and multiple layer and so on. Now I'll make this just one layer. Now click on this tools option and this flatten option. Put your mouse cursor on the flatten option and see this. Merge comment into the file's content layer and see this layer comments box now showing here. If I select flatten and see this, now select save and convert and see this. Now you can edit this shape or multiple layers, just one layer, and this PDF file, this image will count like a picture. Yeah, and finally check this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.